Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me, and thank you for joining me in Pootles Advent Countdown. 25 projects coming out to you, 5 a week for 5 weeks. Can't remember what number I'm on. 16? I think it's number 16. And I've got a candy cane holder for you. I do one every year, or at least one every year. So by all means, go to my blog and just type in candy cane in the search bar. The search bar's on the right hand side, and then down below all my links, and in the description bar below here you'll have a link to this project and of course my blog. But yeah, candy canes, and I wanted to use the new red velvet paper. It's just divine. Obviously you can't really see it, but hopefully you can hear it. So you can hear that it's lovely textured. That's just regular cardstock, so lovely. Love, love, love. Absolutely gorgeous. Right, so I went with garden green on this one. I kind of thought, well, the green in my candy canes was a bit more garden green, but it's sort of both shaded spruce and garden green, which is why I'm going with shaded spruce this time, just to see how the two look. So this piece measures 2.5 inches by 5 inches. So that's 6.5 by 12.5 centimetres. And this is the same width, but an inch shorter at 4 inches, 10 centimetres. And this is where I'm going to put my panels in. And what I want to do first is create myself a template. So I'm using my classic label punch, and I'm just going to create a template with some Whisper White. And I'm just going to put a little dab of seal on there. And I'm really eyeballing, but what I'm actually looking for is making sure that it's equidistant either side. And then I can come in and punch around it and just use the same template again and do the same at the bottom. And move that across a little bit. That's better. And then punch again. Right, so I want a little bit of a bend in it. I'm not sure if you can see from this one, but there is a little bit, well, obviously you can see the sides there. So I found that if I just fold it in the middle there, straight across those points of the classic label, and there, that would give me a bit of a bend going on to get me started. And then I'm just using my fingers, and I'm bending across where the top of this punch out is. So I'm bending at that point as well, which hopefully you can see there. And that one. Can you see that? There we go. And then I'll do the same at the bottom, and again going at the top. And that's going to give this look so that the candy canes fit underneath. So I'm going to grab my Seal Plus for the top and the bottom, and once again I'm eyeballing where the middle is. There we go. That's the essence of my candy cane holder. It's so quick, it's so simple. I might go down to my children's school and teach them how to do this year. That would be fun, wouldn't it? Okay, so that's my candy cane holder made. So I just want to do a little decorating, and I used the Everything Essential stamp set and punch the other day, and I coloured these by hand, but I'm just going to stamp the Joy to the World directly in shaded spruce. Grab a block. That green is so rich, it's lovely. And punch it out. I've got some red rhinestones. I did this the other day on another project. And yeah, when I did the triangle, and that stuck itself to my finger. Let's get another one. And yeah, just little red baubles on my tree. I want some dimensionals for the back, which I've put down underneath something, underneath the stamp set. onto the front, and then my lovely, I love this stuff, red braided linen trim. Great, nice bow. Snip off the ends, mini glue dot, and that is a cute, quick project. Like I say, I'm seriously considering going down to my son's school. My youngest son is the last one who's at primary school now, and yeah, teaching them how to make it. That would be good. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. See you tomorrow for another project. Can't remember what it is, but it's a cool one. I know that. Take care, everybody. Bye.